Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the north coast of Jamaica. We are on the northern coastal highway and we are in St. Anne. Now today we're going to talk about tourism. And this hotel that we're looking at is the Bahia Principal. It is the largest hotel in Jamaica. Now, the north coast of Jamaica is doing extremely well re-tourism. You have so many hotels going up between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. Well, have you guys ever wondered where Jamaica ranks in terms of tourism compared to the other Caribbean countries? Now, in the Caribbean, Jamaica ranks fourth. You have the Dominican Republic, which is the largest destination for tourists, or more tourists visit the Dominican Republic than any other place in the Caribbean. So the Dominican Republic is number one. This is the Caribbean we're talking about now. Costa Rica is number two, Aruba is number three, and Jamaica is number four. And then you have Puerto Rico, Colombia, and Mexico on the rest of the list. Now, ever since the pandemic in 2020, the Caribbean has become the destination of choice. And the way you get there is by air. The majority of people who overnight stay, because you have cruise ships, but those just come in for the day, but the overnight visitors come in by air. Now, the government is trying to increase the number of people that visit Jamaica. So we are going to go through an article that gives some more information on what the government's plans are. But before we do, this hotel that we're looking at, the Bahia Principal, they are actually building two more hotels in Jamaica. They're going to be spending billions of US dollars. So although Jamaica is number four on the list, I'm sure in a couple years it's going to move up. However, the government has plans to facilitate the increase in tourism. Well, so we're going to go through an article that gives the numbers that the government is looking at for the next couple of years. But when Bahia Principal is building two more hotels, but other hotel chains, Rio is currently building their seventh hotel in Jamaica. You have Harmony Cove, you have Pinnacle, you have Princess Resorts. Thousands of hotel rooms are under construction. So we're going to go through an update article. Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett says Jamaica is expected to welcome 4.2 million visitors and earn US 4.1 billion by the end of the 2023-24 fiscal year. He made a disclosure during a meeting of the Standing Finance Committee of the House of Representatives, whose members are reviewing the 2024-25 estimates of expenditure. For 2024-25, it is intended to increase that arrivals and earnings to 4.5 million visitors and US 4.8 billion in earnings. Just to indicate that we would be just about 200 million shy of the US 5 billion in earnings, which will be realized in the 2025-26 fiscal year to satisfy that projection that we have made, Mr. Bartlett said. The minister was referring to the 5 by 5 by 5 growth strategy of 5 million visitors and earnings of US 5 billion by 2025. So those are the numbers that the Ministry of Tourism are looking at. So for 2023-24, 4.2 billion visitors. For 2024-25, 4.5 million visitors. Sorry, let me go over that again. For the 2023-24 fiscal year, they're looking at 4.2 million visitors. For the 2024-25 fiscal year, they're looking at 4.5 million visitors. And for the 2025-26 fiscal year, they're looking at 5 million visitors. So those are some impressive numbers, but we definitely won't pass the Dominican Republic with 5 million visitors. But it's a work in progress, and I'm sure Jamaica will be the number one destination or the most visited destination in the Caribbean within the next 10 to 15 years. As the hotel rooms are built and we have more and more airlines flying to Jamaica, I'm sure it's just a matter of time. Maybe not that time frame, but I'm sure one day they will. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.